Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to reveal to you how you can insert a table into your text documents on LibreOffice Writer. So let us dive into this. Open up LibreOffice Writer, navigate to your text document and position the cursor here on your text document where I'd like to place the table. So as you can see, I created an example table here. Let me show you how I did that. So what you will need to do is click into that table button at the top or use the shortcut Ctrl F12. Or if you'd like to customize the table, click into that drop-down menu next to it and select a custom resolution for your table, like for example 9x5 columns and rows. And that is going to add the table to your document. Now you can fill these cells with content by typing in the content here. And you may also resize these cells by using that handle here, for example. And what you want to do also is take a look at these options at the bottom. For example, if you'd like to insert rows or columns to the left, to the right, above and at the top, then there are also options to, for example, merge cells, to split cells, to add borders to the given table, and so on and so forth, guys. So that's how it works. That's how you add a table to your document on LibreOffice Writer. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.